The talking sandwich. It was a warm Saturday afternoon. Tom, a young boy who loved cartoons and sandwiches, was feeling very hungry. His mom was out shopping, and the house was quiet. He walked into the kitchen, hoping to find something tasty to eat. He opened the fridge. Cold air brushed against his face. Inside there was a bottle of milk, some apples, and a big sandwich. It looked perfect, 2 slices of bread, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and a slice of ham. It even had a shiny olive on top. Tom reached out to grab it. But then something very strange happened. The sandwich blinked. Tom froze. At first he thought his eyes were playing tricks. Maybe he was too hungry, but then the sandwich spoke. Hey, don't even think about it. Tom jumped back and almost dropped the milk. He stared at the sandwich. It had small cartoon-like eyes and a little mouth on the top slice of bread. Tom looked around. Was the joke? Maybe there was a speaker in the fridge. Maybe someone was filming him. But the sandwich kept talking. I'm not your lunch, it said with a little laugh. I'm a magic sandwich. Tom didn't know what to say. A talking sandwich? What kind of day was this? The sandwich slowly floated up and did a little spin in the air. It danced, wiggled its olive like a nose, and then landed gently on the plate again. Tom was amazed. He sat down at the kitchen table, watching the sandwich as if it were a magician. The sandwich told jokes, made funny faces, and even turned the lights on and off using magic. Tom laughed so hard that his stomach hurt. I've been waiting for a friend, said the sandwich. Most people just eat me. Tom smiled. I'm not like most people. From that moment, they became best friends.
Instead of eating lunch, Tom and the sandwich went to the living room. They sat on the sofa and watched cartoons together. The sandwich laughed loudly at silly parts, especially when characters slipped on bananas or fell into cake. Tom didn't feel hungry anymore. He felt happy. Later that evening, when his mom returned, she found Tom fast asleep on the sofa. The television was still on, and the plate was empty, but the sandwich was nowhere to be seen. Or was it? Some say the magic sandwich visits kind-hearted people. Others believe Tom was just dreaming. But Tom knows the truth. He still keeps an empty plate on the kitchen table, just in case the sandwich returns.